Now about the trainer. Education is BSc Math from Ranchi University, MBA from Indian Institute of Planning and Management, New Delhi, and the professional experience is purchase, stores, logistics, supply chain management, transportation field for 35 years in companies like Tata Steel, Timken, Jindal, Durst, and TML. Independent RPA consultant and trainer for last 3 years, working as a RPA business analyst for last 1 year in industry sectors. So today's agenda is Automation Anywhere A2019 Excel Advanced. Introduction to Excel Advanced package of A2019, then demo to read Excel data, pass the value from Excel to other application, and then lastly convert from Excel to PDF. So course curriculum is what you will learn. Set up Automation Anywhere A2019 or 360 in your computer. Tools of Automation Anywhere latest version of A2019 360. Design and development and implement RPA tasks bots. The requirements for this is laptop and a good internet connectivity only. And description. This course includes training of one of the most popular robot process automation tool, that is Automation Anywhere A2019 from scratch. Any individual can learn this course with a dedication, and it is an easy course for RPA developers. They can learn and can collect the ideas from this course and perform RPA easily. In this course, we will provide you with technical skills and Automation Anywhere bots demos that will allow you to more confidence create a software robot. Who is this course for? Beginners for Automation Anywhere and RPA developers. This course content is 30 sections, 87 lectures, and of 27 hours of total length. Now in Automation Anywhere training, total course includes 30 sections are there. First is overall RPA, then introduction to RPA Automation A2019, build your first bot, Boolean, CVS, TXT, clipboard, credential and lockers, date time, delay, dictionary, email, error handling, Excel advanced, file and folder, if, list, log to list, loop, message box, mouse, number, OCR, PDF, prompt, recorder, step, string, variable, wait and undo. These are all actions in Automation Anywhere A2019. Now coming to next slide, from Google you can see that the demand for this Automation Anywhere A2019, it is estimated that automated systems could undertake the work equivalent to 140 million jobs by 2025. So it is in heavy demand. This is the graph for RPA jobs over last 5 years. Initially the requirement was very less, and then slowly from 2016 it started going up and up and up, and it will go up only. And these are the figures in millions from 2014 to 2021 and 22. This is the market trend. And for freshers in USA or somewhere, it is $80,000, and in India it is 7 lakhs per annum. And for experienced developers, I mean 2-3 year experience if you have, then it is $125,500, and in India it is 18 lakh per annum. This is the certificate will be issued by the trainer, and this is the certificate will be issued by MindMajix after completion of the course. Some random topics of the course. It is same as introduction to Excel advanced packaging of 2019, demo to read Excel data, pass the value from Excel to other application, convert from Excel to PDF. Now projects we will be demonstrating are project number 1, RPA data entry. Basically bot will look into the input file, read data from input file, then it will launch info app, then open customer creation page, create customer account, update status, and then send updated file to business for review. This will be the project 1. Then project 2 will be share market. So here bot will look into the input file, read data from input file, Open window Google Finance, then fetch current price, update that current price into input file, compare the current price and target price, and then current price, if the current price is greater than the target price, it will display a message, good time to sell, and also it will update the status in the Excel file. And the last one is RPA challenge, where this is input forms. It will launch RPA challenge file, download the file, then open file, extract fields, store in a directory, look through RPA challenge fields, extract field level, look up level in dictionary, and then fill in the dictionary value. These are the three projects we covered. Then lab setups. Prerequisites are logical knowledge, I mean basic knowledge of thinking capabilities, knowledge of flow charts, basic knowledge of SQL queries, then basic knowledge of Excel. And the system requirement is computer running Windows 10 with internet connection, Microsoft Office, and basic activities like data entry, sending or receiving emails. So these are the only system requirements. Now, additional course resources. For additional course resources, you may visit this link for Automation Anywhere 82019. Now, let us discuss about this mock interviews. Introduce yourself. You have to introduce yourself first, your role, responsibility, the domain that you have worked, the different skill sets that you have, and your total experience about the corporate. Then second is, how do you define RPA? So here you have to say what are the different tools that you have worked on, your recent projects, and then business perspective of the project being automated and the productivity, the return of investment, etc. Technology you have used to automate the particular process and the approaches you have taken. Then what are the different challenges that you have overcome while implementing that particular project? What are the different issues that you have faced? What was your resolution for that? Logical abilities. Automation anywhere packages like string manipulation, date time manipulation, data table concepts, then exception and handlings, dividing projects into modules, documentation work, how do you handle testing of the project, what is your future aspirations. You have to lot of interest in technology and you are interested in learning it. And lastly, ask for the feedback so that you can improve your shortcomings. Demo questionnaire. Any doubts regarding this subject, course timing, resolution, resource allocation can be discussed with MindMajix. Please feel free to drop your query at info@mindmajix.com. Now, introduction to Excel package of A2019. One is Excel Advanced. This can be used if the Excel Advanced is installed in our computer. And then Excel Basic is if we do not have any Microsoft Excel installed in our computer. And third one is Office 365 Excel. If we are using a Microsoft Excel 365 on a browser, web browser, so then we have to use this Office 365 Excel. So basically, most the systems of Excel has Microsoft Excel package. And here we have the facilities of file extension format are XLS, XLAM, .XLTM, XLTX, XLSB, and XLSM. And you can also do some with the CSV format also. Now let us go to Automation Anywhere, where we will see the practical demo. So this is the control room of Automation Anywhere 82019, and let us create a bot. So here we have to put the name of the bot. Say let us see Excel Advanced is the name we put, and then description is optional. You can just leave it, and then click on create and edit. So this is the format it will come in the left hand side. In action column you can see there are a lot of actions which will be covering in our. Here we will see Excel. So we discussed about these three types of Excel: Excel Advanced, Excel Basic, and Office 365 Excel. So here in this demo, we'll see Excel Advanced, how it is working. So these are the actions inside Excel Advanced. So let us create a bot. First, we have to open this Excel file. So let us drag and drop open over here. Now I have created one Excel sheet under this folder Automation Anywhere Excel employee data. If you see this employee data, we have this information inside this. These are the basic employee information over here. So we'll read how bot is reading this Excel file. Let us see. So here let us go for this list view. There are three types of view. Flow view is this is the flow view, then this is the list view, and this is the dual view. Both the things you can see. To better understand, let us go with the list view. Here you can have these three types of path. One is control room file. If the file is in your control room, then you can go with this. And then second is desktop file, and the third is variable file. So since our Excel file is in desktop file, we will go with this. So now let us browse this, and in desktop we have this file, this one. So let us double click it, then the path will automatically come over here. And then comes specific sheet name. See, here we have sheet 1. Now then it is coming as open in what condition, read only mode or read write mode. So if you want to read only, then you can click on the go with this, but we will go with this read and write mode. Then if it is password protected, then we have to give the password details over here. Since it is not password protected, so let us leave this like that only. Then our sheet contains this header. So we will click this. So this open is informations are there. So let us save this, and let us close this Excel file, as the bot is going to open it automatically. And let us run this bot. So our bot is running. It is going to take some time. So message has come, bot ran successfully. So let us close this, and you see here the automatically this Excel file is open. So now let us read. Bot will read this the details from this Excel sheet. How to do that? Let us see. So here in this C column we have name, and in D column we have surnames. So let us read this name and surname from the Excel sheet. So how to do that? Let us go through a loop. So drag and drop this loop over here, and it is asking for this informations. So it will iterator is required to loop through. So if you click this, then since we are going with this Excel advanced, so let us we will select this one for each row in worksheet. Then loop through. Here we have three types. Okay, loop through. We have all rows. specific rows and cell range. So if we go with this all rows, it will go through to a total worksheet. And specific rows, if we click on this specific rows, we have to mention from which row, from starting row to ending row. And similarly in Excel cell range also, you have to mention from range to range. Here we will go with all rows. Okay, then it comes read option, read visible text in this thing. So 50% will read as 50%. So it is nothing to do with that. And then session name. By default, it is coming as default. So let it be like that only. And then here we have to create a variable where bot will loop through. Then the records will be recorded over here. So we have to make a variable over here. So click on this, create a variable, and we have to give a name over here. Say VXL, say VXL column. Let us see the name. And this type will be a record type. So now click and insert over here. And then comes this while. Let us leave for the moment. And now let us see the results in a message box. So here we will type message box, and it will drag and drop this inside the loop. So here we have to give the message display. So let us click on this and click on this, and then we have to select this VXL column variable which we created just now. So click on this. Here there are two types of options over here: by index or by name. So by index means, if we go to this, then by index means a column is 0, B is 1, C is 2, D is 3, like that. So if we want to read this C column and D column, let us first give this variable name as C column. So here what we have to do is go to index, and here you have to put 2 and yes, insert. Okay, then again we have to go to that variable. Let us select that variable, and by index it will be 3. So yes, insert. So our bot is ready to read. So let us save this and close this Excel file, because bot is going to open it automatically, and then run this file. So it is running now. So first message came from the bot, that is Raja Sharma. So let us open this Excel sheet. So here you can see the name is Raja, and from D it is selected as Sharma, Raja Sharma. Now let us close this. The second one will come Atanu Datta, Atanu Datta. Then third one is like Gautam Sen, Gautam Sen. Like that, it will look through all the rows. And Pawan Kumar, Billu Singh, and lastly Raju Ganguly. So it ran successfully, and the message also came from the bot that it ran successfully. So now let us see the second option, by name. So for that, what you have to do is, let us delete this, and suppose in the name column we want to read this employee status. So what you have to do is, again press F2, go to Excel column, VXL column, then by name. Here what you have to do is employee status we have to copy and paste it over here, and then yes, insert. Now let us save this, close this Excel file, save, and then run the bot. So bot is running. So from message box, the first one is active, then second one is retire, then third one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. These are all active, 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 and then retire, again retire, and then again active. If you close this is the last one. So our bot runs successfully. So let us close this. Now, if we want to pass this value from Excel to any other application, let us see how it can be done. So let us close this message file. Let us delete this. And here, we have to, first we have to create a variable where we will store this. So let us give the name as v Excel personal number. Here we have this personal numbers. How to read this and transfer to some other application. So it is in 0 1, index number is 1 for this B. So let us create this v Excel personal number, and it is a string type variable, and create. Let us click on create, and now we have to go to action, and we have to assign these values to a variable. So since we have created a string type variable, so we will look for assign in string type variable. So we will drag this assign of string over here. So it is asking for these two informations. So total, what is a source string variable? So here again you have to go to F2, then select this, and then here by index we have to put 1 to read the personal numbers. So click on insert, and here now then have to give the destination string a variable. Here we have to give this string type variable which we created just now, and to read these values we have to again go to this message box, drag and drop inside the loop, and here we have to choose this VXL number. So yes, insert, and our bot is ready now. Let us save this, close this Excel file, and run the bot. So our bot is running. It is opening the spreadsheet message box. So now if we see the uh, from Excel file, you can compare that. See that person number is 1 2 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8, then 9 0 1 2, like this. It is reading perfectly. So our bot ran successfully. message came from bot, was run successfully. Now let us see how we can create this Excel to PDF. For that, let us close this, remove this, and again go to Excel file, Excel action, and then look for this convert Excel to PDF. So this is the one. Let us drag and drop this over here. So now here it is asking say certain informations. Select sheets to be converted. There are three options: enter entire Excel file, or active sheet, or specific sheet. So here we will go with this active sheet because this is a sheet one. And then here in PDF file name we have to put. So here we have to put one PDF file name, say Excel to PDF, and we have to give this extension also, otherwise it will not work. Dot PDF, and then we have to give the storage location over here. So let us give this storage location to this bot. This storage location, it will come over here. Now nothing is there, only Excel sheet is there. So let us copy this and paste it over here. And here another option is there. If we want to overwrite the existing file, we have to go with this. If we don't want to overwrite, then we have to click this. So we'll go with this, overwrite existing file if any. And session name will as default. Let it be like this only. So now let us save this and close this Excel file also, and then run the bot. So bot is running. It's opening the spreadsheet, and now it is converting to PDF. So successful message came. So let us close this, and now let us go to this Excel. So see, this is the PDF file, and let us open this. So this is the PDF file from Excel file. It has been transferred to PDF file, converted to PDF file. So I will stop here, and thank you very much for your time. In case you have any questions, let us discuss. Thank you.